Hello everyone, today is Ganesh Chaturthi and I have made a small Ganesha with thermocol. It is very easy. You can easily make this for any kind of decoration like puja decoration, house decoration and even school project. First I have made the outline with a black pen directly on the thermocol board. Now as you can see, you need to cut along the boundary line. I have used a paper cutting knife for this work. Cutting is complete. Now I have to color this. You can color it as you like. I have used a darker color tone. I have used acrylic colors. Now I will use a lighter tone for a realistic effect. Blue dhoti, with pink color combination. Golden color jewelry. Some borders and highlights with black and white. And the red tilak. May Lord Ganesha bless you with wisdom, prosperity, and endless happiness. I had one plastic cover, so I put my Ganesha inside this. This will keep my Ganesha clean and dust free. Bye bye.